The Wise King and His Worried Daughter. Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom surrounded by mountains and rivers, there lived a wise and kind king. He ruled his land with fairness and compassion, and his people loved him dearly. The king had a daughter, Princess Meera, who was as kind hearted as her father, but she had one flaw: she worried too much. Princess Meera worried about everything: the weather, the safety of the people, the future of the kingdom, and even small matters like what to wear for the day. Her mind was constantly filled with thoughts of what if and what could go wrong. One day, the king noticed that his daughter looked particularly troubled. She was pacing back and forth in the garden, her face full of concern. "What's bothering you, my dear?" the king asked gently. "Oh, father," Princess Meera sighed. "I can't stop worrying. I worry about our kingdom, about the people, and about the future. What if something bad happens? How can I protect everyone?" The king smiled kindly and took his daughter's hand. "Come with me," he said, leading her to a hill overlooking the kingdom. From there, they could see the entire land, the forests, the rivers, the villages, and the mountains in the distance. "Tell me, Meera," the king began, "what do you see when you look at our kingdom?" Princess Meera looked out at the vast land. "I see a beautiful kingdom, father. But I also see all the dangers that could be out there, the storms that might come, the enemies that might attack, the crops that might fail." The king nodded thoughtfully. "It's true that there are many things that could go wrong. But have you noticed how the rivers keep flowing, the trees keep growing, and the sun keeps rising every day, no matter what happens?" Princess Meera looked at her father, puzzled. "What do you mean, father?" The king continued, "Life is full of uncertainties, my dear. We cannot control everything that happens. But just as the rivers flow and the sun rises each day, life has a way of moving forward, even when we face challenges. Worrying will not change the outcome, it will only drain your energy and make you miss the beauty of the present moment." Princess Meera thought about her father's words. "But how can I stop worrying? How can I not be afraid of what might happen?" The king smiled gently. "Let me show you something." He reached into his pocket and pulled out a small stone. "Imagine this stone represents your worries. Now, hold it in your hand." Princess Meera held the stone tightly. "It feels heavy," she said. "Exactly," the king replied. "Now, try carrying it around with you all day. See how it weighs you down." Princess Meera did as her father asked. She carried the stone with her everywhere she went that day, while she ate, while she talked to the people in the kingdom, and even while she tried to relax. By the end of the day, her hand was tired, and she felt more exhausted than ever. That evening, the king asked her, "How do you feel now, Meera?" "My hand is sore, and I'm exhausted," she replied. The king nodded. "That's what happens when you carry your worries with you all the time. They weigh you down and make everything harder. But now, I want you to do something else. I want you to let go of the stone." Princess Meera hesitated at first but then opened her hand and let the stone fall to the ground. Immediately, she felt a sense of relief. "Do you see, Meera?" the king said softly. "When you let go of your worries, you free yourself from the burden they bring. Worrying doesn't solve problems, It only makes them harder to bear. Instead, trust that you have the strength and wisdom to face whatever comes your way, just as the rivers find their way around obstacles and the sun rises every morning. Princess Meera looked at her father with new understanding. I see what you mean, father. Worrying won't change anything, but trusting in myself and in the natural flow of life can help me face challenges more calmly. The king smiled and placed his hand on her shoulder. Exactly, my dear. Remember, life will have its storms, but just as the rain eventually gives way to sunshine, so too will your worries pass. Trust in yourself, in the people around you, and in the natural order of things. And most importantly, enjoy the beauty of the present moment, for it is the only thing truly within your control. From that day on, Princess Meera began to worry less and live more. She learned to appreciate the beauty around her and to face challenges with calmness and courage. Whenever she felt the weight of worry creeping back, she remembered her father's lesson and let go of the stone in her mind. As she grew older, Princess Meera became known as the wise and calm princess, beloved by her people for her kindness and wisdom. And she lived a life filled with peace and joy, knowing that true happiness comes not from worrying about the future but from embracing the present with an open heart.